Sup? Haven't uploaded anything in a while. I have my bicycle next to me. I pedaled like 5 miles to ride some spots, and there's like 2 spots able to ride. The tripod right now is a big bottle of Dr. Pepper. We're out here in the streets. Snapchat says it's 78 out, but it feels like it's fucking a million degrees. Snapchat's lying, but figured I would do a self-made bike check. So, we're gonna start with that. First, we got the Salt Plus back wheel. It's a cassette. Don't know which cassette it is. Gotta have the tennis ball. All black bike. Just take note. We got a King Street peg on the left and a Van Helmet peg on the right. Metal pegs, crusted. We got a Odyssey full link chain. Very loose, comfortable. We got the Salt Plus cranks, the basic ones. Strong, good for crank arms. Stolen Thermalite pedals. I like them. Like, they haven't even busted any pegs on them yet, and they're plastic, so they won't destroy your shins, which I like a lot because I always slip on crane flips and hit them. Still hurts, but not as much. We got a specialized sprocket. So you can you can see it's a nice sprocket. Oh, I forgot the tires. In the back we have a Tip Plus tire. It's just there like all around street tire. Slippery, sliding, so you can like maneuver better. We have a specialized frame. It's the what is it? Oh, the P series. It's a P 2.0 Pro. And why is it complete? I just started building it up. The forks, we got Harrow black forks. Bars, we got Harrow 1978 black bars. Harrow stem. I think it's a zebra with a specialized top cap. We got the Merit. The Pete Sawyer grips. Didn't even know what they were called, but they're on the side. With plastic bar ends. We got. People are watching me from this. You know, struggle and burning them. People don't know when people film bike checks. In the front, we got a Colt street sweeper tire. It's a 20 by 2.25. In the back, it's a 20 by 2.3 because I like a fatter tire in the front for more leverage to land on. I mean, it makes the bars a little harder, like when you throw bar spins, but it's good because then you can land softer, nicer, a little way better. It's worth it. We got the same pegs, the Kink and the G-Sport, the Van Helmet. And we got a Harrow wheel in the front. Pretty sure that's it. Oh yeah, the seat, I forgot. Specialized seat. And specialized seat post. And yeah, that's about it. Tennis ball again. Every single day. I'm gonna wait for Matt to get here to stack some clips. Cause like, I don't know, there's like no one here and everyone's staring at me filming this video, so I'm gonna shut it off and chill for a little bit because it's not 78 degrees out. It has to be like at least 93. That's my guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, cool down, and wait for Matt to get here.